racing. Jesse started. We have 10-10-40 plus rushing a body out. That is up. View, then followed by Court of Justice. Tango Echo Kit. Then next in line is Captain of the Sea, while Smiling G is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have the Quick is striding up of you on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 5 lengths lead. 10-10-40 in second. Court of Justice is racing in third, down in fourth place, then followed by Captain of the Sea, Smiling G second last, while Tango Echo Kit now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Up of You is still in control, leads by about 5 lengths. Moving up to take second, Court of Justice. 10-10-40 plus comes next. Danori inside now is Captain of the Sea, is Smiling G, while Tango Echo Kit is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. Up of You moving a party outside. Court of Justice plus now trying to get closer in third. 10-10-40 Captain of the Sea as they swing for home. Up of You moving a party outside is Court of Justice plus is already outside with about 100 meters of the race, plus followed by Court of Justice, Up of You, and finally plus Court of Justice.
Okay, para dito sa ating race number 2, our unofficial winner, entry number 2 plus the favorite with Rider JZ Serrano. Then yung coupled niya, darating din to a Court of Justice. Nakita natin, dikit, no? Dumating 4-5 para dito sa ating pangalawang karera. Panoorin po natin ang ating replay.